Last class we have started off is some of the examples which could not be defined by Mendel comes under non-Mendelian inheritance. Under non-Mendelian inheritance, the first topic that we have studied is about incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance. And if you remember, the examples that we have talked about is about Mirabilis jalapa, a 4 o'clock plant, Antherinum majors, which is there in your NCERT. Write down the majors. Only the genus name has been given, species name is not being given. Majors, M-A-J-U-S. Antherinum majors. The common name is snapdragon or dog plant This particular plant or Mirabilis jalapa, the main flower color is red. So the cross was like this. In a short, I'm showing you because I need to get into the next details of it. Yes. So red flowered plant having capillar, cross with white colored plant flower having small r. So from here, you'll be getting capillar and small r. After Syngani, you'll be getting capillar smaller as F1 generation. So in F1 generation, and this is P1 generation. So Viprita, tell me, according to law of dominance, this capillar is going to be dominant over small r. So it should have been red, according to Mendel, law of dominance, but it became pink. That's why we are calling it as a non-Mendelian inheritance. So what is happening over here? Capital R is not completely dominant over small r. Capital R is not completely dominant over small r. So both of them are blending together and making pink. This blending was not there in Mendelian concept. Fine. So this pink colored plant, capillar smaller and capillar smaller, that means pink colored plant with pink colored plant, we have gone for self-pollination. So this is pink, this is pink. There are two parents. This now becomes P2 generation, parental 2 generation. And when we are going to get the gametes out of them, is capillar smaller, and from here, capillar smaller. Adrian, tell me how to get the type of gametes? To the power n, where n is the number of character. What is n? It is the number of character. So what is n over here? If it is the monohybrid cross, 1. Number of characters is only 1 in monohybrid cross. So the number of gametes is going to be 2. So from one parent, we'll be getting two gametes. So this is now P2 generation. This is gamete. So what we are going to get is F2 generation. Second filial generation, and this is the cross that we are going to make. This is capillar smaller. This is capillar smaller. And we'll be getting capillar smaller, and smaller. So the ratio becomes red, the phenotypic ratio becomes red is to pink is to white. Tell me, Viprita. What is, this one is what? Red, only one. Pink, how many of them? 2 of them pink. And white is 1. So the phenotypic ratio, in case of Mendelian concept, it was 3:1. But in this special case, about Mirabilis jalapa plant and Antherinum majors, these two plants, they have got some different story to tell. And this is the story. Phenotypic ratio becomes red is to 1:2:1, and the genotypic ratio remains same. Capillar, smaller, and smaller. So, a particular cross where the phenotypic and genotypic ratios are same, we call it, remember always, it's an incomplete dominance. It's an incomplete. So this example is an example of incomplete dominance. So last day we have talked about this. Incomplete dominance is the best example of non-Mendelian, but this is the inheritance of one chain. Clear? Today, also we have talked about, I think, blood grouping we have done. Last day we have talked about blood grouping. So it's an example of multiple allelism. Fine. We have talked about IA, IB, and IO. IA and IB are dominant alleles. IO is a recessive allele. But when both of them are together, IA and IB, they have given AB blood group. So they have become co-dominant. Okay. So this is about incomplete dominance. Tell me one of the example. Ayushi, tell me one of the example of an animal we have talked about. Under incomplete dominance, we have talked about Andalusian fowl. Andalusian fowl is a bird, and the feather color of Andalusian fowl or bird was dominantly black, and the received character was white. So we have defined it by capital B, and small b. When we have made a cross, we have found the F1 generation is having capital B, small b. According to Mendel, it would have been black, but it came as blue, not even gray. So blue. So blue, capital B, small b crossed with capital B, small b in the F2 generation found that 1 black, 2 blue, and 1 white. So what is the example? Andalusian fowl. Andalusian fowl is an example of an animal which shows Andalusian. Andalusian fowl. Okay? Sure. So black is to blue is to white. 1:2:1. So we have done it. Okay.